Hi, welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. This is Marcia. Okay, in today's video, I am going to share with you the top trending products from my shop, Markets of Sunshine, that are on Etsy. And these are by far have been absolutely shown so much love, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So the first is this pink, adorable tiny house. Isn't that just darling? And it comes with all the laces and the fabrics and the buttons and the trim to put the little pink house together. And it comes with the stick and stitch embroidery paper pattern and a cardboard template. Next is my pink soft book, which is for doing your embroidery stitches and the slow stitching. So I call this my pink slow stitching sampler book. And you can also do your quilting. So it helps you to improve in a variety of hand sewing techniques. And as you can see how I've been decorating my pages, and this is another pink kit that's in my Etsy shop that's laces and a piece of fabric with a heart pattern template. Isn't that gorgeous? And you receive all of those things you see there in your kit. So this is another kit. These are all priced affordable. So this kit is your choice of batting and felt pages, and there's 3 batting and 3 felt. So that gives you 3 signatures of each. That's what they are called in bookbinding terms. Or you can choose the 6 flannel pages, which would be much thinner. So you see how thick this is with the felt and the batting. And in this kit, you'll receive enough supplies to decorate the cover. And then the inside, you might have a little bit left over for the inside, but you would have to use your own supplies or get more to start decorating the pages. Okay? And then a new kit that's in my shop is this Bluebird. Isn't this gorgeous? So I just added this kit today, and it comes on this stick and stitch paper, and it's so easy to do. And you'll get some embroidery thread, you'll get the stick and stitch paper, and you will get a foundation piece. And it comes with instructions, but I do have a video here on my channel showing you how to do that as well. So enjoy the slideshow, and I will show you some other top trending products from Markets of Sunshine on Etsy that you can pick up for gifts for all the women you love in your life. Stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.